In this tutorial, we will see that how you can remote play on Steam, on PC or Mac in just few steps. So let's dive in. So we are in Steam. Here is the game. So now, if you want to remote play, you have to click on this, Steam, and open settings. Here it will show you some of more settings. You have to scroll down. Here you will find this remote play. Open it. And the first thing that you need to on is enable remote play. After doing this, scroll down. Then you will find here this enable advanced host options, where you have to on this enable advanced client options. So after doing this, from first PC, close this and open your second PC where you want to join. Again open Steam from your second PC and click on this Steam icon on the left top side. Open settings, scroll down and open this remote play where you have to enable these two options from here also. After opening this, in computer and devices, you will find here your PC1 device that will show here. Now to join it, simply click on this pair Steam link and here you have to write your 4-digit authorization code that will show on your PC1. You have to paste same as it is and click on confirm. After doing this, you have to open your game on first PC and here it will give you this small icon on the right side of install button. If you click on that, it will show you your all connected devices. In the place of mobile devices, you will find your computer or device name. Simply select it and then it will give you Steam option in place of this install. So that's how you can remote play on Steam on PC or Mac in just few steps.